Okay, let's look at number 9. 9 says x divided by 5 equals negative 3. Now, listen to the way I read the problem. X divided by 5 equals negative 3. There's one more way I could have written the problem. I could have said, because remember, there is that 1 that would be right here. When we think about the coefficient, remember there's always a 1 in front of any of our variables. So I could also have written this as 1/5 x equals negative 3. Okay, so if it looks like this, how do I get rid of a fraction that is in front of a variable? We have to multiply it by the reciprocal, right? So now I can say 5/1 times 1/5. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So I'm going to multiply 5/1 on this side as well. Now, 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And there's my x. I had to bring that down. Equals negative 3. I can write it like a fraction if you want to. If it makes you feel better, that's fine. 5/1. Parentheses and the dot, remember they're interchangeable. Both show multiplication. Okay, so I've got 5/5 over here. 5/5 reduces down to 1, so that leaves my x. What's negative 3 times 5 is negative 15/1. Do I have to leave it as over 1? No. That ends up being negative 15. Now, I need to double check myself. So, I know that this checks out. And we are done. I'm going to go ahead and to double check myself, I'm going back to my original problem. It was x/5 equals negative 3, or x divided by 5 equals negative 3. If I put in my negative 15 divided by 5 equals negative 3, well, let's see if that works. Does negative 15 divided by 5, what does that equal to? Well, I can do my 5s, right? I can count my 5s, 5, 10, 15. That is a negative 3 equals negative 3. So this checks out